How to connect biology concepts to real-world examples. Imagine walking through a park and seeing a squirrel scurry up a tree, or noticing how your own eyes change when you go outside. These everyday sights are full of biology stories waiting to be told. When you understand biology fundamentals, you can see how they pop up all around you. Connecting these ideas to real life makes learning more interesting and helps you remember better. Start with the basics. Know what a cell is, how genes work, and what evolution means. Once you understand these core ideas, it becomes easier to spot them outside the classroom. For example, think about how bacteria become resistant to medicines. That's evolution in action happening right now in hospitals. Or consider how plants in your garden grow faster when they get more sunlight. That's photosynthesis, a key biology process. Recognizing these connections makes the subject come alive. Use things you see every day. When you see a dog with a different coat color, think about genetics and how traits are inherited. When you watch a documentary about animals adapting to their environment, it's a real-world example of evolution. If you visit a zoo or a park, observe how animals behave and relate their features to their habitats. These observations turn textbook facts into stories you can relate to. Try simple hands-on activities. You can extract DNA from strawberries or bananas to see genetic material. Measure your heart rate before and after running to understand how your body responds to exercise. Making models of bones or organs with clay can help you visualize human anatomy. These activities turn abstract ideas into tangible experiences, making them easier to grasp. Field trips are a great way to see biology in action. Visiting a botanical garden or a natural reserve allows you to observe ecosystems firsthand. Seeing a bird or a plant in its natural environment helps you understand how different species interact and survive. It's like bringing textbook pages to life right before your eyes. Technology tools like online simulations are also helpful. You can explore how natural selection works by changing variables in a virtual environment. These tools let you experiment and see the results instantly, deepening your understanding of dynamic biological processes. Connect biology to current issues and future careers. For example, understanding genetics is key to developing new medicines and vaccines. Biotechnology is used in farming to grow better crops. Learning about these topics can inspire you to consider careers in science, medicine, or environmental work. Seeing how biology impacts real-world problems makes your studies more meaningful. Finally, manage your study time well. Break down big topics into smaller parts and set goals for each session. Mix reading with activities like experiments or observations to keep things fresh. Using a planner to schedule study time, field trips, or experiments helps you stay organized and balanced. By linking biology concepts to real-life examples, hands-on activities, and future opportunities, you can see how science shapes the world around you. This approach makes learning more fun and helps you remember what you study. It also prepares you to use biology in everyday life and future jobs.